up, ladies and gents? We're here on our job site and we're replacing this old, ugly, outdated air register with some fancy new products from a company called Envisivent. So these guys are awesome because they make all kinds of different products for things like access panels, air registers, exhaust fan covers, all kinds of things. And they also come in various styles. So the one that we're installing here is a removable version. So this is magnet activated. So if you push on the bottom, the vent actually pops off. Magnet technology. And the plate is removable, which is awesome. But they also have permanent versions like this one here, which get mudded into the wall, and then they're permanent, which means that they're seamless. It's a different function, different look. Some people like the look of having no gap around the outside. Some people like the option to remove it. You make your choice. They got options. Now you know what it is. How does it work? Well, it's pretty simple actually. If the vent that you're replacing is roughly the same size as the Envisivent, then all you're gonna do is pop it out, slide the new one in, screw, mud, tape, mud a few more times, and then it's ready to be sanded and painted. However, if your new vent, if your Envisivent is bigger than the previous one, all you're gonna do is trace the new one on the wall and cut out so that the opening is big enough to fit the Envisivent, like so. So at this stage, all we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some screws in where there's blocking. So there's studs here and here. Throw a couple screws in there, tape and mud. She's ready to go. Before you get started, make sure that it's sitting level, which it is. And we always say, while you're doing the work, you might as well take the grill out. They're durable, but why risk it? Check a couple screws wherever there's blocking. We're fortunate that we also have some structure up along the top, so I'll throw a couple screws up there as well. We've got some mechanical fasteners in there, the screws, we're gonna tape, we're gonna mud. This thing's gonna be flush in no time. Okay, so it's mudded now. I'm gonna embed this fiberfused drywall tape, and I'm gonna line that along the perimeter, on the flange and the wall. Just gonna make sure to clean out any excess mud that gets on the inside. I'm gonna clean that now before it dries. It's always easier to clean the mud when it's wet than when it's dry. Personal preference. So the first coat is done, it's taped, it's mudded. When that's dry, I'll put another coat on, then sand it.
Look out.
What do you think, Sphinx? What's this cat's name again? Okay, so it's taped, it's mudded. When that dries, I'm gonna come back, throw some more mud on there, sand it, and it's ready to go. Okay, so we've got a couple of coats of mud on that. I've just sanded it back. It's ready for some primer and then some paint. And we're gonna show you what it looks like when we get the floors, the baseboard, and the casing on, so you get an idea of what these guys look like fully installed. So in order to control the airflow, you're gonna open or close these dampers as much as you want. I'm just gonna leave those like that for now. Time to put on the magnetic grill cover. It's not perfect yet, but you get the idea. Not only do they make these guys, but they make all kinds of things like access panels, exhaust fan covers, register covers, vent covers. They make everything in a wide variety of sizes. Make sure you check out their wide variety of flush mount covers because there's definitely something for you. Envisivent. A new type of flush-mounted wall register, wall vent, Envisivent, a new type. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Yeah. Here we go. Come on.